Hey, you know I'm crazy about watermelon. So I'm going to show you a different type of watermelon snack today. I'm going to make some popsicles. Well, they're not going to be frozen, but they're going to be made with popsicle forms. These are little cutters that I bought on Amazon. I'll show you the link for them if you like the way it looks. Alright, I have a nice watermelon here. Try to get one, if you're going to do this, try to get one that is a little bit long because you're going to want to make a few slices to get this to fit along the outside of the rind. So I'm going to cut a chunk off here. Whatever's left we'll use for melon balls or melon snacks or whatever for the day. But let me cut off an end. Alright. Now, we'd like to have, ooh, that's a nice juicy watermelon, red. Okay, I'm going to cut a slice that is not going to be any thicker than the popsicle form itself. So we want it to be something like that. It seems like a thin slice. I'm trying to cut it straight. You know how it is cutting a watermelon. It's not always that easy to cut it straight. Okay, now part of the charm is to have the watermelon rind be part of the handle. So let's just set this aside and we'll work on it. So we'll take one of the forms and we want to fit it down so that the green is included in the handle. Alright? Now this is a smaller end, so I don't know how many we'll get out of this. All you have to do is press. Let's make another one right beside it there. Just press down. And now we have two pops. Now any of the watermelon that's left like this, save it for a bowl of watermelon snacking. But here's our popsicle. Push it out. This is a really fun way for kids especially to eat watermelon. They have the little handle they can hold. Makes it a little more sturdy and they can bite right off of the pop. So let's make a couple on a plate here. Look how nice. And it has a little handle. And you know, as the watermelon curves, it doesn't have to be perfect on the bottom, but you can see it makes it a little more sturdy. Let's cut a couple more. I'm going to keep this slice for our party bowl. And as we get deeper into the watermelon, we'll have a bigger slice here. Alright, there's a nice juicy slice. Ooh, can't wait to taste this one. This is even a fun thing you could do with your kids. Make the slices first and give them the cutout like a cookie cutter. Alright, let's make one down here. Just press it in. While everything's sturdy, we're going to press in a second one. Look at that. Isn't that great? Now, I understand that you can even make an adult version of this. Soak these pops in some alcohol of your choice, and that makes an adult popsicle. Or you could take, for the kids, you could take some lemonade and soak it in that. Oh, this one was such a ripe watermelon that it came apart. Well, that's another one for the party bowl. Let's make one on this side. Yeah, there's no waste here because we're still going to use the watermelon for a nice snacking salad or just nibble on watermelon throughout the day. Look how nice that is. And if you have to make them a little shorter, you know, just to get them to fit in, that's a-okay. I'm really happy with this tool. It really does a nice job. There's one of the little soft centers came out. Find yourself a nice big tray to display these on if you're having a party. There's another nice big slice. Oh gosh. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. You can make a couple. I'm going to pick the flat spot to make a couple right off the bat. Oh, aren't they great? All right, I think this is a great summertime treat. At the end of the summer, we're still getting a lot of great watermelons. Try this, have yourself a popsicle. Oh my God. That's so good. That's a fun thing to do at the end of the summer. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.